Howdy everybody, how y'all doing today? Today is the 18th of March 2020. We're getting ready to head over here at this building. We got to get some work done and get some orders shipped out and take y'all along with me on the day today. My name is Colton. I'm a full-time online reseller. I sell on platforms like eBay, Amazon, Poshmark. So yeah, y'all come with me. Let's get the day going. Alrighty guys and gals, so the first thing we sold is a Pink Floyd The Wall VHS tape. I gotta dig through these tapes to find it. I'm gonna let y'all dig with me today. This may be a bad idea, I don't know. We're gonna find it though. So if y'all see it, y'all holler. Probably buried on the bottom, ain't it? So let's start taking them off the bottom. I'll fast forward this for you. Aha! Alright, so this Pink Floyd The Wall VHS tape, we got $671 plus international direct shipping on that. So we're going to send that out. Next thing we sold is this M&M The Lost Formulas PC game from Scholastic New Seal. We got $28.17 plus shipping on that. Sold this on Amazon, Spyro Xbox One game, and for this we got $37.65. Sold these on Poshmark, these duct flexible reusable mailers, 25 pack. We got $20 plus shipping on them. So getting them out. Now we got to get a pool float, and I already got one boxed up from Florida. The guy never paid. I opened up the unpaid item case. Never paid, but somebody else bought one, so we're just going to use this one. I'm going to have to take it out of this PFRE though. We got $38.49 plus international direct shipping going to the UK. So we're going to take it out of this and put it in a box. Next thing is we sold some skeleton goblets. Let me put these back just for now. So we're looking for some skeleton goblets, and they're in one of these.
They're in the top left one. They're the bottom.
This one? They're in this, yep, here they are. They're in this full one. So yeah, we'll let her carry them. Sold them for $21.39 plus shipping on them. Picked these up at a Goodwill for 99 cents a piece. This I picked up for $1. Those were $1.50. This was a quarter, and that was nothing. Those were $2.50 I think a piece. So yeah, that's our sales going out today. We got the, as y'all can see, let me show you. We got the kiddos back here playing. What you playing? Minecraft on Xbox. Enjoying the day. And I started listing a lot yesterday. We're fixing to get after it again. I got this one emptied out and got all those listed right here. So today we're gonna get these two listed. Probably throw them two in the trash. And yeah, keep at it. Alrighty guys and gals, so I'm gonna clean up this Polaroid and just give it a quick wipe down. I ain't got no way to test. I ain't got one of them things. But with all this talk about this coronavirus going around, COVID-19, how's that gonna affect your business? I mean, it's probably gonna affect it more than you think. And people just ain't gonna have, they're getting out of work, not gonna have, you know, the money coming in to buy, you know, collectibles and all that kind of stuff. But the people that do have money, maybe they're retired, I mean, they're still gonna be buying. People that have the money and, you know, that aren't thinking it isn't as bad as what it is or what it can be. So what are you gonna do to sustain during this pandemic, epidemic, whatever you want to call it, are you gonna just keep doing the same thing you're doing? Are you gonna change your business model or anything like that? Right now, I'm just working on this death pile. I mean, I got the stuff, might as well list it. It'll sell eventually, maybe after all this is over, maybe before, I don't know. But I'm also gonna shift into looking at other stuff, like things people use every day that isn't a necessity for living. You know, things that you can't get in trouble for price gouging on, such as, you know, certain kinds of toothpaste, deodorants, trash bags, Ziploc bags, things people need every day. Think about that. Certain kinds of food, you know, you can go to the grocery store, buy all kinds of stuff, and mark it up a little bit and resell it. I mean, that goes on even without a pandemic going on. I wouldn't go buying face mask and hand sanitizer. So, I mean, there's different other ways to make money other than selling Polaroids or collectibles. You just got to find it, which is hard to get out during a pandemic and find this stuff. So do your research before you go to the store. Look, you know, just sit around and look stuff up and see what it's going for, and then go to the store and pick it up. If you can, if you want to. If you don't. And some of you may not think it's right to sell food or toothpaste or deodorant at a time like this, but that's fine. I'm going to. I mean, there's plenty of stuff, like even Q-tips. They may be going good. People can't get out and pick up their necessities, stuff they need or think they need every day. They're going to go online and buy this stuff, so they ain't got to go out. So if you do your research before you go to the store, have a list ready of all the different things you want to get. Pick it all up at once, get enough of it. Do Amazon merchant fulfilled, because Amazon right now ain't taking FBA shipments. Do it merchant fulfilled. Throw it up on eBay, you know. And another thing, eBay's call center's down. So if you need to get in touch with eBay, you have to email them. There's nobody available to take your calls. So, I mean, it's pretty crazy right now, but you just got to deal with it best you can. It's best practice. Wash your hands. You know, if you got to go to the store, go very early as soon as they open, right before they close when there's not a lot of people there. I mean, y'all do what you got to do. But yeah, it's just food for thought for you. I mean, they stuff people need all the time. People's going to be cooped up in the house, or kids are going to be cooped up in the house. I mean, toys will be selling. Movies and games will be selling. You know, if you want to take this time to work on your death pile, then do that. But I mean, we got to make a living too. And if people's going to be cooped up in their house and stores are shutting down, where are they going to get their daily necessities, things they think they need? They're going to go online. People's not getting any shipments into Amazon on certain things. So that stuff's going to run out. Then where are they going to go? They're going to go to eBay, or they're going to buy it, you know, merchant fulfill Amazon. But yeah, use your own moral compass. Do what you think's right. And at the end of the day, I hope you all stay safe. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed it, hit that thumbs up button for me, and we're going to see you guys and gals tomorrow. Another thing, these videos the next few days may be kind of shorter, as sales are kind of, you know, going down, and there's only so much I can show you of this death pile and things I'm doing, but still gonna have a video up a day, me talking, maybe doing something, showing you what's going on in here. So yeah, we'll see you guys and gals tomorrow.